The OTSC Neo system set is an instrument for flexible endoscopy for the treatment of lesions in the gastrointestinal tract. There are 3 different versions of the OTSC Neo clip. Type A with blunt teeth, Type T with pointed teeth, and Type GC. For PEG fistulas in the stomach, the clip Type GC is particularly suitable. The clips are mounted on matching OTSC Neo application caps. The caps are available in system sizes 11, 12, and 14. All 3 sizes are available with a cap depth of 3 or 6 millimeters. The appropriate clip type and system size are selected by the user and depend on the requirements of the respective procedure. When closing gastrointestinal fistulas with OTSC Neo, the tissue is prepared by freshening or debridement of the fistula opening and fistula tract, for example with APC, to support the healing process after closure with the OTSC Neo clip. The OTSC anchor can facilitate mobilization of the fistula opening into the cap as an application aid. It can be used with both 3 mm and 6 mm cap depths. First, the fistula entrance is targeted with the application cap. Then, the instrument tip is positioned at the edge of the fistula opening. The anchor needles are pushed distally and spread in the tissue. Subsequently, the tissue is gently pulled and the endoscope is brought closer to the application site. The OTSC anchor shaft is mobilized into the cap, while the anchor needles can remain outside. Then the clip is deployed, and the OTSC anchor is released from the tissue. After successful clip application, the anchor needles are retracted and detached from the tissue. Afterward, the anchor can be removed from the working channel and the application site can be inspected. The optimized fistula closure, using submucosal injection and mucosal incision, can achieve good treatment results for otherwise therapy-resistant fistulas. Preparing the tissue through a circular incision of the mucosa, for example with the aqua knife, can lead to reduced tissue tension around the fistula opening and more effective tissue compression by the clip. Here too, the tissue in the fistula tract should be freshened to promote better healing. During clip application, the clip is applied to the incision line.